Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lefa Manyama, and if you're new here, welcome. Please consider subscribing to my channel. For those that are watching that have not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you get notified each and every time I post a video. In today's video, I'm attempting to do a tutorial on how to put on lashes. Okay, in my previous video, same outfit, same everything. I bought the Wet n Wild mega liner, and I applied it for the first time. This one on my left is a flop because it looks like it has I don't know what's going on here, but y'all can see. And this one came out perfect. I love it. So I thought, okay, I should do a tutorial on how to wear your lashes because this is bomb. It just needs some lashes. Like, oh my gosh. So let's get right into it. First of all, obviously you'll need lashes. I have the Eyelash lashes in number 153. No, actually this is not 153. I actually took out I lost these lashes, my Eyelash 153 lashes. I don't know, they blew off where at my previous place. Couldn't find them no more. And these lashes, I also Eyelash, but I'm not sure. I think it's 117. It's in 117. So I threw away that other box is messed up, so I threw it away and replaced and put them in here so that it don't look that messy. So I think for first time I need like quite a few, even if it's like not good brands, but that's okay. You need a few lashes to practice on or not. I'm using the Eyelash glue. Okay, that's what I got. You need to put glue on your lashes. I think this dries here. So it is. Stop smoking my glue. My lash glue is far, guys, so I'm not trying to go there right now. I'm trying to film a video. Obviously, you would wait for your glue to get tacky and all. I've already applied mascara. For some people, it will be easier to apply mascara afterwards, but I would suggest that you apply mascara so that you can be able to see where your glue is supposed to go. By the way, the glue is supposed to go on your lash line. You just want to wait for the glue to become a bit tacky before you apply it, because we don't want floppiness here. You can use tweezers if you want. Obviously, you would need a mirror. Then you have to look down. You have a mirror just under your nose, or a mirror so that you can see. Oh my gosh! And then can you all see? And then you place the lash. You want to first stick on the middle. That was like a simple awkward tutorial. I hope you learned. I didn't say much, just put them on. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, bye.